Hello to all, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Jonathan here, and in this video, pag-uusapan natin itong isa sa hottest topic again dito sa crypto space, which is the move to earn or M2E. And disclaimer as always, anything na pag-uusapan namin dito sa session are not financial advice. So, you're still encouraged to do your own research right after this session. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe here in my channel, please click the subscribe button para ma-notify din kayo ng aming next video. For me, let's get started because ang daming mga viewers natin nagtatanong regarding this new sector, the crypto space, since I published my recent video about M2E. Now for me, sige, simulan natin session by asking if do you think that M2E is the next big thing in the crypto space?
I won't answer that with a specific yes or no. But my answer there will be, I think it has potential. Why? Because it's trying to incorporate the benefit of being healthier. Diba? Kasi what do we associate being healthy with? Physical fitness. And itong mga move to earn tokens. Kasabay nito yung growing popularity of mga fitness accessories like yung Fitbit, fitness trackers, the continued growth in the fitness industry, especially during the last 2 years na naka-lockdown yung mga tao, di ba? So nag-workout na lang sila sa bahay. At the same time, you have an increasing number of companies with mga employee wellness programs na nagbibigay sila ng incentives to their employees to stay physically fit. Halimbawa, if you have some insurance companies na ang ginagawa nila is they encourage their employees to be physically active and they're able to accumulate points which they can use to redeem rewards, and I believe at the highest levels, pwede pang mababaan yung insurance premiums ninyo. So, you have a situation where people are being encouraged to have a healthier lifestyle. So because of that, you have a concept like move to earn, which capitalizes on that increasing trend towards becoming healthy. Adi swak na swak, di ba? You have an application or you have tokens which will rely on your needing to move for it to generate earnings. Kung di ka gumalaw, hindi ka kikita. Diba? So if you wanted to remain physically active and at the same time kumita ng pera, this is a very nice alternative. Diba?
Oh, that's nice. And that's perfect for those people na aside from they also wanted to get fit and healthy, diba? Gusto rin nilang mag-generate ng income. Because another thing, or the way I see it, Fermin, correct me if I'm wrong, is diba kapag ka mag-gym ka, hindi naman libre din right?
Yep.
May membership yan. You need to pay if you want. That's an option kung gusto mo magkaroon ng personal coach. And of course, you also need to buy those stuff or things na gagamitin mo. Hindi naman libre, diba, bumili ng damit or yung shirt na gagamitin mo pa mag-gym ka. Yung sapatos mo, diba? And all those things. Right? So basically, you're spending money but you're not making or generating any returns. True, yes, the purpose naman hindi naman para kumita ka, right? It's for you to stay fit and healthy. But what if pwede ka maging fit and healthy and earning money at the same time through the concept of M2E? So that's why, based from what you've mentioned, or one of the reasons that this could be one of the next big thing, because it's a game changer kasi pinagsama-sama nila yung concept ng health and fitness and crypto or the power blockchain, wherein you earn cryptocurrencies if you move outside. So basically, hindi ka ikita kung nasa bahay ka lang nakaupo ka. So that's why kaya nga move to earn, di ba? But for me, question, yung concept ba ng M2E, is it something new or matagal na ba to?
The earning component, yan fairly new. Pero the idea of movement-based applications, hindi bago yan. Think for those who are older. Kunyari, ako, mas nakakatanda. Remember when there was the Wii console?
Mm-hmm.
Or more recently, you have the Pokemon Go. Diba? Pokemon Go, if you wanted to go and catch the Pokemon, kailangan mong lumabas ng bahay. Hindi ka pwedeng nasa kwarto mo lang tapos mahuhuli mo yung Pokemon. So, these are just some examples of applications na kailangan mong gumalaw. Ang nagbago lang ngayon is, gumagalaw ka at pwede kang kumita. Kasi diba before, let's use Pokemon Go. you're doing it because you love the game. Kung kumita ka na, kung sakaling kumita ka nun, bonus na lang yun. But you were doing it because you love to play the game. Kung ngayon may option na kikita ka, gaya nga ng sabi mo, okay, di ba? Gagalaw ka na, may possibility pang kumita ka. So yun ang nagbago. It's not so much the move concept, but it's the earn concept.